Greetings, 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 and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, a special welcome to you. Here, every day at 5 a.m. Jamaica time, there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Sophia Nicholson. I'm a local radio and television program host here in South Florida. For more information about me, check in the description below. We invite you to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and most of all, share.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12, from verse 1 to verse 3. When thousands and thousands of people start gather with Jesus there, them did so enough, them all a tap up on them one another. Jesus talked to him special follower them first. Him say, watch out for the two-mouthed Pharisee them. Not hide, but we now go find out about. And no secret not there, we now go bust out. But when you say in the dark, people are going to hear in a daylight. And what when you whisper to one another when you lock way, people are going to bawl it out from the house top. And God word this, thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.